Top of the morning, evening, night, or day, ladies and gentlemen. This is me here today on behalf of Well Prepared Men, and I hope everyone's well and good. Roll the intro.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain, and the following video is for subscribed devices only.
In today's video, we're gonna unbox just another cardigan. I don't know which video number this is, but we're getting very close to the end of this series. Anyway, let's open it up and see what we got in here. I am left-handed, so using the knife with my right is always an experience. And we're in, ladies and gentlemen. I can already see it's a really nice color. And here it is. I'm just gonna put this away. So this is the front. We got cream and green. At least, yep. We got cream and green. I like this cardigan when I first saw it because it had patterns, but it was simple. And that's how I felt about wearing cardigans at the time. I didn't want them to be as complicated as this just yet. So I went with something more subtle. Here it is. This is the front, and this is the back. This is actually my cheapest cardigan in this series. Now, the home cardigan was cheaper than this, but it's not a part of the Sickest Cardigan game on YouTube, if you catch my drift. This is. I really like this cardigan because it's simple but unusual. And this particular cardigan cost me €8. The brand is Elga, and it's a size 54, so a little bit bigger than my usual size. But we're gonna try it out just to see how it fits. So we're gonna see how this looks. Hopefully I nailed it, because I've been doing pretty well when it comes to sizing. Anyway, this is a lighter cardigan. I'll probably use this around spring. Now, the sleeves are actually quite good. They're almost too big, but yeah, they're a little bit too big, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. It's a little bit too big, but I can rock this. I can totally rock this. And the bottom, so here is actually pretty good. But here, if it was like this much shorter, I would totally benefit from it. But anyway, beautiful cardigan nevertheless. I love the color. I'm just gonna close it up here to see how it feels. If you like cardigans and are new to them, we never do the bottom buttons, gents. Anyway, it feels pretty good, but not as cozy as the cardigan that I was wearing. At the moment, we are in like pretty much middle of winter. So it's kind of cold, and I wouldn't rock this cardigan right now. Probably rock it around spring, like I said earlier. In the meantime, it is a beautiful cardigan, and I'm super happy I have it, and that I got to unbox it here with you guys. I'm gonna swap cardigans. There we go, that's actually much cozier. This, ladies and gentlemen, an awesome addition to my wardrobe, and not very expensive at all. This cost me €8 without shipping. At this price, you can really fill up a wardrobe without trying, but that's not what I'm going for here. I'm going for classic, unique pieces that make me feel good and stylish and happy from the moment I get dressed to the moment I go to sleep. I feel like the way I dress has a big impact on how I feel. When I was rocking tracksuit bottoms, I didn't give a fuck about anything in life. And now I feel like I'm starting to pay more attention to the little things. Like My personal hygiene. I've been shaving way more often than usual. My teeth, I actually got them more whiter than I did previously. I know this is a bit of a weird one, but I started paying attention to the way I smell. You know, as a skater, we used to spend a lot of time skating and sweating. I just used to shower very regularly, and now I shower, apply cream, and then actually I start all of this the previous day with deodorant. I apply deodorant before I go to sleep in my balls and in my armpits. And then in the next day, once I had my skate sesh, I shower, I put the cream, I put perfume, I put deodorant again. And it's just this routine that I started developing because I started dressing well. And yeah, I'm happy to see where keeping this up will take me. Right now, it takes us to the very end of this video. So I want to thank you for sticking with me up until the end. I hope you subscribed and make all those things that make it easier for you to tune in for my future videos. And without any delays, I'm going to love you and leave you to have a rest of an amazing day. This is your boy, Logging out. Peace.